AZIMIO leader RAILA ODINGA has now alleged an assassination attempt on his life during today's anti-government protest in Nairobi. While he addressing in Karen, RAILA claims his car was shot at 7 times with live bullets in what he believes was a direct attempt to take him out. Mr. Odinga accuses President Ruto of taking the country to pre-colonial times with what he terms as attacks against peaceful demonstrators merely exercising their rights. He further slams foreign nations for allegedly funding the conflict instead of solving it by first and at very least standing on the fence and not taking sides. The former Prime Minister further condemns the attack on the press witnessed during Thursday protests, where at least 4 journalists from different media houses were hospitalized after reportedly being brutalized by both goons and police officers while covering the demonstrations. He also alleged a plot hatched by senior government officials to raid a property owned by former President Uhuru Kenyatta in what could have been reminiscent of the invasion of the ex-head of the state's Northlands farm on Monday. Mr. Odinga also maintained his grievances, stating that the Independent Electoral and Boundaries Commission server should be opened and an audit done so that any doubts about the election are put to rest. He adds that the 4 disgraced and sacked IPC commissioners, led by former Vice Chair Juliana Cherera, should be reinstated. Edward Machuki, AZIMIO TV, Nairobi.